day 8 of our 100-day mock-up challenge. For today, we're going to be working on a product label for a bottle. So this will be good if you have some labels or something like that you want to show off for your portfolio, or if you want to put this up on your website or like a social media page. I'm going to be giving the landscape video situation a try. So let me know what you think about this. Do you like seeing the full Photoshop workspace? Do you like it cropped better to like the vertical aspect ratio? I'm really just curious, so y'all gotta let me know exactly what you want to see in this thing. So for this one, this actually turned out pretty great. I think I did a pretty good job of making the label look as realistic as possible without making it look too raised. I don't know. I guess everything is a matter of opinion. So once you download it, you can take a look at it and criticize my work. I'm always open for feedback. Just be nice about it. Don't be mean. Don't be a hater. I'm giving them out for free. What all do you want from me? So as always, if you want to grab a copy of this, there will be a link in my bio for you all. You can grab a copy to a link to the Dropbox folder, and it'll have all of the ones that we've done so far. And then I just go in every day and add the new one that I worked on for the day. So if you want to get that, link will be in my bio.